The last will and testament appoints an executor, which is the person that is responsible for overseeing the transfer of assets through the probate estate.
That's right.
I've heard people many times say, hey, I have a will, so therefore I don't have to go through probate. That is exactly the opposite, okay?
Right.
And people have that misconception sometimes.
Yeah.
Probate is the process by which a last will and testament passes your assets. It is a court process. And I would say minimum 6 months,
Yeah.
okay, or longer, right? We have some probate estates that run much longer. It just depends on the complexity of the estate. Last will and testaments also direct how the money or real estate or vehicles or any asset that has to change title other than a beneficiary asset through probate. It says who's going to get what,
Right.
and what percentages or dollar amounts, right? So it really allows you to control your assets as they flow through the will. But then when we're looking at an estate plan, or when you're considering an estate plan, ask yourself this question: is a last will and testament the right place to pass my assets? Is it the best place? Because in North Carolina, the only place that a claim from a creditor can attach is during the probate process, when the last will and testament is passing your assets.
That's right.
So if there is a danger of a long-term care event, which right now averages, the numbers are all over the place. The highest I've seen recently is $17,000 a month, okay?
Right. Yeah.
I mean, you think about multiple years of that, and it could spin down even a large estate. I would like to offer a free consult to sit down with an attorney and review your estate plan and talk about what tools in estate planning would be right for you. You can take advantage of that free consult by going to mcelderlaw.com. That's M as in Mike, C as in Charlie, elderlaw.com, or calling 1-888-999-6600. And thank you so much for joining us today.